Hi everyone, my name is Syeda Tasmiya. I have done my Bachelor's of Engineering from KNS Institute of Technology in the field of Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2022 with an overall CGPA of 8.5. I have done my Java Full Stack Development course from Jspiders. Here all the faculties are very friendly and even the HRs are very friendly and supportive. Whenever we have any doubt, we can easily approach the faculties and they will support us and guide us in everything. And I have joined the company called GLOBUSSOFT Technologies, and my joining date was on 28th of this month, September. I have joined Jspiders in the month of January end in the year of 2023. It has been a very good journey here and very supportive journey from all the faculties and the teachers and HRs. The total of 8 requirements I had got. In that around 6 to 7 requirements were scheduled, and this was the last company which got scheduled, and in that I got placed in the GLOBUSSOFT Technologies. And I would like to thank all the faculties and all the HRs for supporting me and adding me for the requirements. Thank you, Jspiders Hebbal.